In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install the DexWild Palm cameras on the Leap Hand version 1. So to begin, please have the printed DexWild camera mount ready. This is one for the right hand. There's a mirrored one for the left hand that you have to print if you have a left Leap hand. So to start, all you have to do is grab one of your cameras and place it onto the camera mounts such that the white connector is facing towards the outside of the hand, just like that. It's on the lower portion of the camera mount. Notice how there's a higher portion and a lower portion. The white connector goes on the lower portion. Now you just take 4 M2.5 4mm screws and just screw it down. Once you have this, you grab the next camera, and again you want to put the white connector on the lower portion of the camera mount, just like this, as you can see. And what we're going to do is bolt it down again. So how the Leap hand attaches to the arm is through this backing plate, where you basically use this hole pattern to bolt this onto the arm, and then once it's already on the arm, you push the Leap hand onto this backing plate, just like this. And then you put in the screws on the side. So to attach the DexWild cameras to the Leap hand, basically what we want to do is take this backing plate, and instead of bolting it directly onto the arm, we place the backing plate in front of the camera mount. The holes do match up, and then we basically bolt the backing plate onto the Leap hand like so, just like before. And what you'll end up with is a Leap hand that has DexWild cameras on each side, just like this. Yep.